Beach Greyhound station slash bus station. I'm waiting on my dad and my sister to come pick me up. Come and tell them what time it's something for each. There's a Greyhound, and I'm still in there. So I'm still here waiting. I'm tired as hell. Catch y'all later. Everything I need. Everything. What's up, Agent? President. Them big though. What we are buying? We are buying. Slice fish. The big old fish. Alright guys, so we're at Applebee's right here. So my friend over there, so she have vlogged me have vlogged C. Yeah, right there, sir. So she want to be a vlogger. I'm telling her come join the world. I'm joining the YouTube world. My sister and I bought you right now. I just love this time. I love them too. Something I stick alright to something. Yeah. You used to do them? I like a picnic. And a nice style. Hold on, man. I black this something. We're getting 2 for 1 drink right here. 2 for 1. Can't beat that. Yeah, man. Yeah. Strawberry. I'm going to say I'm trying to eat that Florida.
Me hate you. Me hate you big time.
Yeah, the food bar. Light himself. Fourth bar, Applebee's. Turn up. Yeah, but it's not getting close up. Strawberry daiquiri. So copycat me, I get the strawberry. I want to let always get clean. Always. Did I get them for eat? Some people eat already. So
you not eat pork already?
No, I'm not eating them. We're walking to the pool. To my sister over there, so, but she not regular clothes. She trying to put on bath suit. So it's not my little granny bath suit. I'm not showing everything. Y'all don't need to see everything. I mean, I still can't see the apartment. Them. Yes, in the background. Oh, don't do it face the other way. The whole thing. Anyway, I'm not big yet. Somebody not gonna see. Yeah, we just gonna walk out the pool. It was raining this morning. Now it stopped raining a little bit, so that's why it looks so gloomy. Yeah. Oh, mother, give me that shirt here, that night here, that bath suit here. Yeah, man.
Get to the pool with the baby sis. She thinks she hot, but she in a 2-piece and noodle. I went to that mad girl, yeah?
You know, I can't swim, so I have to have my noodle.
Yeah, same way, sir.
I'm a swim pool, no. Hey, it's so embarrassing, can't swim. Get your doggy paddle. Get your doggy paddle. that's a $5 one. Or for you then 25? I don't know what that means. $1 a month for 50. Come over here, so. The makeup by Miss Fluffy. So she look good. The eyebrow on her fleek. She put on her own lip. Look good. She shot, you know. Yeah, that she reach her gong already. Shine, you like the makeup? You look nice, man. 360. Hi. Follow her on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram page down below. Yes. You want to follow she in her background? Yes, you leave her. Alright, guys. So I'm at the Greyhound station, heading back to where I came from. It's 6:40 right now. The bus is supposed to be here at 7. I've been here since 6:30. So I'm here waiting. That's where y'all saw the train when I first came. If y'all, there's more. Oh, I got my nails done. These people can't do nails for nothing. I don't like my nails. I know it's dark, but lighting is alright. Say look, better than me. I just came out here to change my braces. Well, just tighten it up a little bit. Yeah, see, just a little bit. So he trying to close the gap right here. So he just put these thick rubber band thing to tighten this up. Yeah, man, your girls who are pretty smile. Yeah, let go. Guys, so I finally made it home, so I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Okay, y'all have a good night. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. Bye.